how to set up termux on Android for the first time after its installation. If you don't know how to install the termux app on your Android, just go to the link in description. You'll get a video guide there. Now let's open termux for the first time after its installation. So the first thing you want to do after its installation is open and grant the storage permission. So we're gonna write here command termux-setup-storage. Once you've typed this, enter, and we're gonna allow the permission. After this, the next thing that we're gonna do is update termux. So we're gonna write here command package update pkg update and enter. It's gonna take some time, so we're gonna wait. Once it's done, we're gonna write here command package upgrade space -y and enter. Again, it will take some time, so we're gonna wait. Whenever it asks you any kinds of questions, we're gonna write here yen and then enter. Again, we're gonna write here yen and enter. Enter. So this step is also finished. We're gonna move on to next step, that is we're gonna install the essentials. Some of the most essential packages in termux are wget, curl, git, python, nano, etc. You don't need to install all the packages because it will take a lot of time and 5 GB of your space. So we're gonna install the essentials only. Write the command package install -y and then the name of the package. For example, wget and enter. So it's been installed. Let's install curl. I put all the essential commands in the description. Just go there and copy and then paste it on the termux. So that's the first time setup guide for termux. This is the first thing that you need to do after you install termux on Android. So like this video and subscribe to this channel.